turn Judy down for a minute. So I am currently, I'm at the bank right now because I gotta see if I even have money. But after the bank, I'm gonna get a tea. But then after I get a tea, I'm gonna go thrift shopping and see if I can find some things that I can up thrift or fix or make look better. Half the time I go thrifting, sorry, I have someone, like, half the time I go thrifting, I don't find anything good, especially because there's not many thrift shops here. And I mean, there's Goodwill and it's kind of trash a lot of the times, but I found some good stuff there, so I'm gonna look there. Dude. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna look there, maybe a few other places, find a few things, and then I'm gonna up thrift them and record it and upload it on this video. I made this shirt. That's not important. Okay, so I just got over here to Starbucks, and first of all, I don't drink Starbucks. You know what? Who cares? I drink Starbucks. So I get over here and can't even get in line because somebody rear-ended somebody else in line. Like, before they even got to the... I don't really understand how that happens. Like, you get in line to get your McDonald's or your Starbucks or whatever, and you're just so excited that you ain't even paying attention to the line. You just rear-end somebody in front of you. I don't understand. Point is, I'd have to go in to get my Starbucks. I'm not going in to get my Starbucks. I don't want it that bad. I've arrived at Goodwill. Finally. After many a trip to many a place. And the only place that was worth going to is the bank to find out that I am indeed kind of broke. I didn't get anything at the farmer's market because I don't have cash and I don't need vegetables. Sometimes they have cool stuff, so I looked. So anyway, I'm gonna go into Goodwill and I'm gonna see if I can find anything to fix or do something with to DIY, so I have a video. Bougie on a budget. Alright, so I found a few things at Goodwill that, one of them was just kind of dumb. I just liked the pattern on it, but it was kind of a waste of $4 because I don't really know when or how I would wear it. I guess maybe I could wear it somehow. I don't know. I'll show them all when I get home. I actually, for the first time at Goodwill, got something that wasn't clothes. I got something else. So I'm going to try to fix it and see how that goes. I'm not really sure how that's going to go. Hopefully it goes okay because I spent $6 on said item, which isn't a lot of money, I guess, but it is if I'm not ever going to use it. So we're going to see. But for now, I'm going into Walmart. And the first thing I'm going to do is get one of those cart wipes to wash my hands because I don't have any sanitizer. And after I go to Goodwill, I get real grossed out. It's nothing like... No, I mean, it's understandable. The people at Goodwill wear gloves so they don't have to touch things because, like, you don't know what you're touching. And I just feel kind of icky. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Alright, so this is my Goodwill haul. I only got 3 things, and it's actually a few days later because I had to wash both of the clothing items, and I wiped this cabinet down a little bit. So this is just a basic jewelry box. It plays music, which is kind of cool, and my idea with this was just to, I've never got anything from Goodwill that's not closed before, but I saw this and thought it was cute. So, and this one was in really good shape considering it was thrifted and whatever, so I just wiped some of the dirt off of it. Dust. It wasn't really dirty. I wiped some of the dust off of it, and I'm going to stain it and clean the inside and do a few things with that. It's super wrinkly, first of all, but also, well, it's actually a skirt, and I didn't know that until I tried it on. But I thought if I bring this in and make it fit me, I could actually style it really cute. Finally, I got this button-up, short-sleeved shirt. I saw it and I thought the print was really cool. This doesn't need any altering. I mostly just bought it because the buttons are really cute and the print is super cute, I thought. So I realized I'm just going to leave it like it is and style it, and I will show how I thought I would style it. Alright, so I'm going to start with this. I've already wiped it down a little bit, but I'm going to go over it a little bit more, and then I'm going to take it apart and clean the inside, and then we'll go from there. And right here, I'm just going to take a piece of tape and wrap it around my finger and use it like a lint roller to get off all the little fuzzies and stuff that are inside on the fabric. Okay, so the next thing I'm doing here is just taking a wipe and sanitizing the felt fabric inside. I can't do too much rubbing or soap and water or anything on that because it'll mess the material up. So I'm just doing this to get any of the stains out and disinfect the surface because it wasn't really dirty at all to begin with. So I'm just doing this to sanitize and make sure it's clean. Now that I've got it all clean, I'm just going to go in with some sandpaper and roughen up the outside because I'm going to go over it with paint. And if the surface isn't a little rough, the paint won't stick as well and won't stay on and it'll chip off easier. So I'm just going over it with sandpaper to ensure that the paint stays. And here you can see the scratches I've made on the surface with the sandpaper that will help the paint stick so much better to the surface. This is the paint color that we decided on. On this next step, I'm just Mod Podging some printed paper onto the front of the drawers and the sides of the jewelry box. Next is my personal favorite part, which is just sanding on the edges and parts to make it look worn and antique. And here is the finished product. So basically here I'm just showing my skirt is a little wide around the waist. It's a 6 and I normally wear like a 4, and there's slits on the sides, but I'm gonna have to take it in on the top and around the skirt a little bit. And here's the result of that. Not to mention the wrinkles are still there because I'm lazy. And last but not least, here is how I decided on styling that shirt, and now that I've got it on and have tried it with a few different things, I'm really glad I bought it. So as I was editing this, I realized that I forgot to record an outro. So this is my outro. I'm currently editing. I don't have any makeup on, but that's alright. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked this, let me know. I'll do some more. I really enjoyed doing it. And that's about all for that. Thanks. Bye.